Hi, let me show you a pizza oven from Royal Catering. So judging by the size of it, it's meant for cafes, bistros, and of course food trucks. Well, any place where pizza is not your main article to sell. So let me just go through some of the details. Well, first of all, what I find is a really cool feature. It doesn't need any special installation. You just plug it in a normal wall socket and you're ready to work with it. It has a stainless steel construction, plastic heat-proof handle on the door with a window, of course, so you can monitor what's happening inside. When you open it, you have a chamber laid out with Fireclay, and this stone bottom gives you that sort of touch of Italian crispiness on that bottom of the pizza. You can fit a pizza with a width for up to 40 centimeters. So you can do large pizzas, family size, and of course it fits a large amount of, small pizzettas or, overbakes of something that you want to do with it. All right, so down to controls. First of all, you have a main on and off switch, so you can flick that on. Then you have the switch for the light, so you can see what's happening inside. Then of course you have a timer. And the cool thing about it is you don't need to use a timer. It's just like an additional tool to control what's happening inside. Like, if you have your pizzas, timed out. But of course, you can do baking on continuous work. You have then two knobs, so you have two heating elements on the bottom and the top that you can set individually for up to 350 degrees. What's the best temperature for a pizza? Well, that's an argument between chefs for ages. You have to figure it out for yourself. You're the expert, so you'll know best what's the perfect temperature for your pizza. So I just turn it up. What else is very important? The device is very efficient, works with 2000 watts, so it's quite powerful. And its main advantage is the size, of course. It will fit literally any place, so this will kind of spread your spectrum of your menu. So you can easily introduce a pizza on your menu and later on just store it away. All right. If you are looking for a pizza oven, just have a look at the website, because there's also a two-tier model, if that will suit your needs. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, which is great because normally kitchen appliances come with 24 months maximum, so having 3 years is a feat. And the producer also made sure it will travel really safe and sound, because they packed it really well in a really thick cardboard box, almost wood-like, with lots of packaging material in it, so nothing will happen to it during transport. Also very cool is the fact that the Fireclay slab comes packed in separately in separate piece of cardboard and styrofoam, so nothing will happen to it. It will not break, because remember, it's quite brittle. One piece of advice there: before you start the device the first time, of course, just heat it up to your maximum temperature, let it sit there for a while. When it stops smoking, the device is ready to be used. All the information you will find in the instruction manual, which is attached. You will find it in the box. Please have a read, because there's a lot of useful information how to operate the device and how to clean it and so on. So definitely worth reading at least once. All right, so that's about it. So if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.